Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can set multiple take profit level on Bybit. Now setting multiple take profit level on Bybit can be done by placing multiple limit order at different price point. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go and log in into your Bybit account. When you're logged into your Bybit account, that is going to take you to the home page. Now from the home page, you need to go ahead and select the trading pair you wish to trade with. So I'm going to go with the Bitcoin or BTC. Next, you need to go ahead and enter the amount you want to trade and execute a market order to open your position. Then you need to set desired entry price and amount, then place a limit order. After your position is open, you can set limit or you can set multiple take profit level by placing several limit order, and then you need to go to the limit tab. As you've done that, once again select sell and enter the price level you want to first take profit. Specify the quantity you want to sell at this price. Click on sell short to place the order and repeat the process for additional take profit level. After that, you need to go to the limit tab, select the buy and enter the price level for your first take profit. Specify the quantity you want to buy at this price and you need to go ahead and buy or sell long to place the order. Repeat the process for additional take profit and monitor and adjust the order. So by following the steps, you should be able to set multiple take profit level on Bybit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.